Style, size, luxury appointments, and a stellar offering of important safety features make the Volvo XC90 a stately choice among vehicles in the huge midsize luxury SUV segment. Available with seating for up to 7 passengers, the 3-row XC90 is Volvo's biggest SUV, and it competes with class rivals such as the Porsche Cayenne, BMW X5, Genesis GV80, and Mercedes-Benz GLE class. The XC90 finishes among the best in our rankings in part thanks to an elegant interior rife with Swedish design influence. Engines range from a 247 horsepower turbocharged inline-4 assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system up to the XC90 recharges turbocharged inline-4 plug-in hybrid setup with a total of 455 horsepower. All XC90 powertrains are fitted with an 8-speed automatic and all-wheel drive. With a bias toward luxury, the XC90 aims to win over the upper-class buyers with high-quality interior materials and a practical max towing capacity of 5,000 pounds. What's new for 2023? The 2023 Volvo XC90 has fancy new names for its trim levels. What was formerly 2 trims, Momentum and Inscription, are now 3, Core, Plus, and Ultimate. In an effort to transform its entire lineup into an electrified one, Volvo has eliminated its gas-only T5 and T6 engines, replacing them with 4-cylinder turbo V5 and V6 mild hybrid powertrains. Additionally, Volvo adds 3 new metallic exterior colors, Bright Dusk, Platinum Gray, and Silver Dawn, while removing 6 previously optional paint choices. The XC90 gets new bright and dark exterior themes, the latter replacing any chrome or shiny trim pieces with high-gloss black parts. A new climate package, available on core trims only, adds a heated steering wheel, rear seats, and a headlight cleaning system. A new lounge package, available on Ultimate trims, adds front seat backrest massaging and a nubuck suede-like headliner. New options include a Harman Kardon audio sound system, head-up display, 20-inch wheels for core, and 21-inch wheels for Plus trims. Standard equipment on XC90 Plus includes a 360-degree camera, 20-inch wheels, leather upholstery, and heated rear seats. In an effort to boost efficiency, Volvo has electrified the XC90's powertrain offerings. Although a fully electric XC90 doesn't exist yet, even the core base model receives help from a 48-volt electric motor bolted to a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine for 247 horsepower of combined output. Moving up to the V6 powertrain, available on Plus and standard on Ultimate trim levels, increases output to 295 horsepower. The XC90's interior is a masterpiece of the medium. From the attractive design to the quality of the materials, we wish there were more vehicles like this. A handsome, tablet-like 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard in all XC90s, and its operation is mostly intuitive. Every model has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. A mobile Wi-Fi hotspot is optional. The system could be improved by adding more redundant hard buttons. That's all I can say about this car. Subscribe to the channel and be the first to know the most reliable information about new cars.